Welcome to Legacy IAS Academy. Today I am going to discuss another important topic, that is profit and loss. And from this topic also every year you will get at least one or two questions in CSAT. So first of all we will try to understand what is profit and loss. When we understand profit and loss, the concept of the profit and loss, then we can solve few questions over profit and loss. Okay, in profit and loss, generally we have three important things. One, we have cost price. Second, we have selling price. And third important things, we have mark price. Mark price. We have to understand this concept in the point of view of seller. Okay, when we talked about seller, consider we have one book, Lakshmikant. The price of book is 600. The price of book is 600. That will be the mark price. The book seller maybe brought that book in 300 only, and then whenever we buy that book, he will sell that book in 500 only. So these three things you have to understand very carefully. Second thing, you have to understand always between cost price and selling price we have two things, that is profit and loss. When we want to measure the profit and loss, we have to measure the profit and loss on cost price and selling price. Second thing is, when we want to measure the discount is always measured between selling price and mark price. Clear? Discount. These things you have to understand very well. Okay. Loss and profit is always measured over cost price, and we can only get profit and loss when we know cost price and selling price. We can only get discount when we know selling price and mark price. Consider here cost price is 300, then profit will be 200, selling price will be 500, and then discount will be 100. It will be 600. These things you have to understand very carefully. When we add cost price plus profit become selling price, or we can say that cost price into 100 plus profit percentage upon 100 equal to selling price. This is the way we can get selling price. Okay. Other way, whenever consider cost price, selling price, and profit is giving. Okay. So how we can get profit percentage? Profit percentage we can get simply selling price minus cost price upon cost price into 100. How we can get loss percentage? Loss percentage we can get like cost price minus selling price upon cost price into 100. That things you have to remember. Now, cost price minus loss will be selling price, or we can write like that: cost price into 100 minus loss percentage upon 100 equal to selling price. So this is the basic things you have to understand. Now we can say that mark price minus discount equal to selling price, or we can say that mark price into 100 minus discount percentage upon 100 equal to selling price. These are the basic formulas. We can solve the questions without these formulas only. It is not you have to remember the formula, but you have to understand concept base concept, and if you understand the concept, then you can understand this formula easily. Now, okay, here also same thing I have given, like profit equal to selling price minus cost price, selling price profit plus cost price will be selling price minus profit, and profit percentage will be profit into 100 upon cost price. And remember, percentage profit is always calculated over cost price, not on the selling price. That is very important, you have to remember. Now here the formula which I have discussed already, these formulas are given here, just go through once, you will try to understand. Like loss percentage will be loss is cost price minus selling price, in this way, and percentage loss is always calculated over cost price, not over the selling price. That things you have to remember. Now we have to solve some questions. Question number 1. A man purchases an item of 120. You can pause the video, then solve the question, then you can see the video again. A man purchases an item of 120. If he sells it at 20% profit, find the selling price. Here we know cost price is equal to 120. We know profit percentage is equal to 20. Then selling price will be the formulas we have discussed. It is cost price into 100 plus profit percentage upon 100. You can put the values like 100, this 120 cost price, 120 120 upon 100. If you solve it, you are going to get the answer, which is 144. Another way to solve it, whatever I have discussed in percentage. In percentage, I gave very basic concept. Consider cost prices. Okay, wait. Consider cost prices 120. It is increased by 20%. 120 of 20% is 24. 120 plus 24 is equal to 144. Answer will be 144. If you understand the percentage topic very well, these questions you can solve this way also. So again, I want to say that try to see the percentage video again so that you can understand. Then this formula is not needed. Now come to the one more question. A fruit vendor recover the cost of 25 mangoes while selling of 20 mangoes. Pause the video, try to solve this question. If you are not able to solve, then you can look the video again. So here, just remember, cost price of 25 mangoes equal to selling price of 20 mangoes. Here I will give one formula. Just remember, how many mangoes left? 5 mangoes left. So remember, okay, here profit percentage will be goods left upon goods sold into 100. How many goods left? 5. How many sold? 20 into 100. So here 1 upon 4 into 100 is equal to 25%. So answers will be 25%. Got it? So here this is a formula you have to remember. Goods left, goods sold into 100. That is very, very important. You have to remember it. Now one more question. A shopkeeper sold goods for 2000 at profit of 50%. Find the cost price. So we have cost price, we have selling price. Here selling price 2000 is giving. They have given profit 50%. You have to get cost price. So we have discussed cost price will be selling price into 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage. Just put a value here, solve it, you are going to get an answer. So answers will be somewhere A. Then we can see one more question. A man buy a shirt and a trouser of 371. So consider shirt price is X rupees, trouser price is Y rupees. So it become X plus Y equal to 371. If trouser cost 12% more than shirt cost, so trouser cost is Y, which is 12% more, so 1.12x. Clear how I did? Okay, again I am telling you percentage topic is a base of all those topics. Try to understand percentage very well. So why trouser cost is 12% more, so 100 plus 12% upon 100 x. It become, if you solve it, 112 upon 100 x. It become 1.12x. Okay, so why we know 1.12x, just put the value here. Okay, 1.12x is equal to 371. It become 2.12x is equal to 371. If you solve it, you are going to get an answer of x, 2.12. It will be around, I think, if you solve it, you are just try to solve it, you are going to get an answer. Okay, then a shopkeeper sells 2 items at a same price. If he sells one item at a 10% profit and second item at a 10% loss. Again pause the video, first solve it. Okay, whenever you see such type of question, okay, where loss and profit are similar and it is selling, so just remember, always we have a loss and that loss will be x square upon 100. So here 10 square upon 100 will be 100 upon 100, that is 1% loss. Remember? Then we have one more questions. Here the value of x is, now it become 20. So whenever 2 items are sold at a same price, on one item we are getting 20% profit and another item we are getting 20% loss. So just remember, always we have loss, that is x square upon 100 percentage. So here 20 square upon 100, then we have 400 upon 100, that will be again 4% loss. Now by selling 15 mangoes, a fruit vendor recover the cost of 20 mangoes. So here 15 mangoes cost price is equal to 20 mangoes selling price. Okay, so how we know profit will be goods left upon goods sold into 100. So again, how many goods has been left? Here 5. How many sold? 20 into 100. It will be 1 upon 4 into 100. So answers will be 25%. Just wait it. By selling 15 mangoes, by selling 15 mangoes, okay. By selling 15 mangoes, just wait. It is like that. 20 mangoes cost price equal to 15 mangoes selling price. Okay, so here 15, here 1 upon 3 into 100. The answers will be B. Okay, now we have one more. Okay, so these are the questions we have discussed over profit and loss, or maybe tomorrow I will make one more video over the question which UPSC has asked on profit and loss. So hopefully you are able to understand the concept of profit and loss. Again I want to say that, okay, concept is very clear. Just remember cost price, selling price and mark price. Here we have profit and loss, and between we have discount. These things keep in your mind while solving the question. And the concept I have given, just revise the concept again, and tomorrow I will give one more video over previous questions of the profit and loss, and hopefully you are able to understand. And thank you for watching the video.